They're a winning team now, and obviously they deserve it. And no, Sonam Kapoor is not getting a fashion award this time. Yeah?
I don't think I'm getting any awards this time.
Soon, it's there.
Thanks, Tani, but I don't think don't do this to me.
Okay. Now you think it's everybody's talking about how great the performances have been. So even though she's, all coy and all blushing.
Not coy. I'm never a coy person.
Okay, blushing. It is an award-winning performance of Sonam, yeah?
I don't know about that, but she's done a very good job. She's done a very convincing job, and Zoya is a very difficult character to
Thanks.
play, and she's played it well with a fine balance. Awards or not, it is a good performance.
Okay. आपका क्या कहना? What do you have to say?
Same thing. I think awards don't matter. I think it's the performance that she has given, and I think she has given an amazing performance.
Stop it.
All right.
Why that so much of an... till now I'm sure you're used to it.
No,
No?
I'm not. It's
Still bad at taking compliments?
no, it's not. I'm not. I feel weird when someone tells me, "Oh my God, you looked amazing at Cannes." It's the same thing. Okay, I can't. It obviously does not equate to the same thing, but for me, when someone says something to me, I just feel like they don't. I can't take credit for something. I can't, because it's not like if a simple thing like a movie, it is your co-star, it's the dialogues, it's your director. I always say I'm a director's actor. If the director has taken out a performance, it's because the director is good enough to take out a performance out of me. And I'm as good as my co-star because I'm reacting to what he is doing or she is doing, or etc. etc. It's the environment, it's everything. If I'm dressed in a certain way in Cannes, if you see me at home, you'll be like, oh my God, it's not the same person. There's a stylist, there's a makeup artist, there's a hairstylist, there is everything. So people work on you. So the credit is never solely here. And I've said this from the very beginning, that if I look a certain way, it's because of Photoshop, etc., etc., etc. I will never take credit when I don't deserve it. So I will just say that it's great to hear it, but it's very difficult to hear it also because I feel sometimes I don't deserve it.
इतनी केमिस्ट्री की बात चल रही है और उन्होंने कहा है कि आप दोनों की केमिस्ट्री की और जोया की केमिस्ट्री तो बेहतर है, तो आई एम श्योर इस पे तो कमेंट बनता है.
I don't know about the chemistry, but we are very good friends, as
In the film?
in the film also and in real life also. So I think that is showing on screen. That is it.
Yeah, it's true. It's true that we are good friends, and it's more important to me that I feel comfortable with an actor on the sets, and not knowing the language, being in a new place, new world, every other's support and love is so important. And Zishan was always there. I mean, he was always there as a friend, and I keep telling everybody that I don't know what I make out of this film, but I made very good friends. So yeah, Zishan is very close to me, and I'm very happy. But it is not a surprise. We both look together. Yeah, on screen. I mean, we compliment. I was not surprised because I knew it when we were shooting only that it's coming out well. I mean, yeah.
And you knew Sonam and you also are going to look so good together on screen.
No, I really didn't think so because Sonam is completely she's very beautiful, so beautiful, and I thought there are lines being written about how I look, so I definitely think I'm going to make a fool of myself, or even now she gives me great complex to stand next to her in front of photo cameras, and it is true. I mean, what's true is true. It's really difficult. You try standing next to her in a photo camera, it's so difficult.
Okay.
So I had my doubts, not about her but about myself, but then I saw a lot of reviews, I read a lot of reviews, they've written good chemistry between the lead actors, which makes me feel better finally.
But I think you're being humble.
No, it's true. Come on. There is one review in which I read, I went inside the theatre with the image of how I'm going to see this actor for 2.5 hours. The review begins like that. I read a review, it was really of course after that that review carried very nice things about me, which I'm very thankful to, but it really shook me for a second that somebody can
please look at this poster. And she was very lovingly looking at it. Weren't you and you thinking you all look so great together? Was that on your mind?
Yeah, because honestly, for me, he has a perfect face. Okay, there's nothing that is. No, I hate it when you do that. You know, I hate it when you start saying that. Oh my God, I hate it. It's really.
That's how I
stupid.
talk.
No, you don't talk like that. But you're like, how can I stand next to you and all? Please, like, look at me. I'm like gawky and gangy, and I used to be like a cow at one point. I was like so fat.
You don't have
Okay,
to do
just
that.
no, relax.
Because I did that.
No, but honestly, I think that just because he has, like, even both the DOPs who shot him in the film have said he has the most beautiful face to shoot. And the camera loves him. When he comes on in front of the camera, it just comes alive.
True.
You know, and I. Yes, the camera really loves
does.
you, and you're such, and you know it, and it only loves you if
Now
you have
stop
some
being
kind of
mean.
face. So stop being.
it.
No, I don't
Stop
like.
it.
I hate it when you do that. Anyway, I get very upset with him when he.
Say whatever you want. Don't be.
But it can still get recorded. We
Okay,
have it. I'm
okay.
sorry. We have
Give
it
it to
there.
me. Give it back to me. So it's really like I don't like it. That
Yeah.
I know he has another favorite co-star that he likes to work with, who he thinks looks better with him. For me, it's been an absolute pleasure working with him. You know,
Absolutely.
and I will not ever, you know, get into a space where I'll be like, okay, you know, if somebody has to be look in a certain way for me to look good with them. I think when you perform the scene in a certain way, no matter who is in front of you, girl, boy, animal,
Right.
it doesn't matter. Because whether I could be the big hoor pari or I could look awful as long as he sees.
let her talk.
No, just stop it. And if he looks at me with love, the chemistry will work. And I think it works the same way. So I don't think it's about looks, Dhanush.
Whoa, now this is like a heated debate.
I
Let's
hate
stop
it.
the debate now.
So
Come, let's.
annoying.
So I'm very happy, Ranjana.
Let me ask the question. Okay, now clearly as we all see how embarrassed you are, changing from the topic, बहुत दिल से गाली देते हैं मूवी में ये आपने मदद की मतलब वो फील के साथ गाली देना बहुत अलग होता है एंड ही यू नो इट्स नॉट अ लैंग्वेज कहते हैं कि बोलना आसान हो जाता है मगर दिल से गाली देना डिफिकल्ट होता है किसी की भाषा में तो क्या आपने मदद की कि वो ऐसे आ गया ऐसे फुल
नहीं
दिल से गाली दी।
देखिए साउंड में शायद थोड़ी हेल्प करी थी लोगों ने पर दिल से इन्होंने गाली बकी थी
और आपने भी दी है बहुत
हाँ इट वॉज इन अ फ्लो अच्छा गालियों के बारे में बात नहीं करते आई थिंक इट विल बी डेंजरस बट हाँ ही कैन अब्यूज फ्रॉम हिज हार्ट ही इज अ वेरी नाइस पर्सन सो ही कैन अब्यूज फ्रॉम हिज हार्ट सो ही इज वेरी जेन्युइन
और सबसे ज़्यादा गालियाँ बेचारे आई थिंक इनके कैरेक्टर को ही मिली है
जी लाइफ में
I think she deserved it. No, I think
yeah,
Zoe
Zoe
deserved.
deserved it, but life में भी जैसे तुम लोग गालियाँ नहीं देते मुझे।
No, I never.
आपने ये कह रही है कि आप लोगों ने इसे ऑफ द सेट भी बहुत गालियाँ दी
I've only abused the writer Himanshu Sharma. Sometimes Zishan.
I was just about to say.
Sometimes Zishan, but never so long.
fun people and it was a fun interview thank you so much
Thank you.
all the very best
Thanks so much.
thank you